So, like I was saying before, good day to everyone that is watching and that is liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing this content. As always, I appreciate you all for doing that. So, today's update will be on beginner guide on exchange and wallet. I'll make it this real quick because I've made this content before, but I just want to remix it for you guys that are new to the channel because there are a lot of new subscribers currently. So I appreciate my old subscribers and the latest ones. I appreciate you all for sticking through and watching. Take your time to watch each and every part of my video. Most importantly, more appreciation to those that are liking, commenting, and sharing the video. It really gives me more reason to post content for you guys. Now, I found out that many people came into this crypto space and that are still coming, that are coming in the space through airdrop. Now, airdrops are initial way to get cryptocurrency for free. While investment is another way to get cryptocurrency with money, with your money. Now, any coin you want in this planet, whether it is Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, you want to get it for free. You want to get it today, like now, as I'm talking to you, you can get it with your money, either through trading or through investment. Now, if you want to get cryptocurrency for free, you can get it through airdrops, which I talk about most importantly in this channel because of the airdrop season. We are currently in airdrop season, whereby people get a lot of airdrops, and most of them are being shifted from site to Telegram. Most nowadays they are now called play to earn. Previously, there's nothing like play to earn for airdrops in most cases, but currently, because most airdrops are maybe an exchange airdrop, a centralized exchange airdrop that are giving airdrop to people for people to know the exchange so that they can be using the exchange for daily transactions. That is one of the reasons exchange are giving coins, and maybe wallet could also give, or maybe a decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. Now this is the initial way airdrops are being given in the history of airdrop. Nowadays people get airdrop through downloading Telegram and playing play to earn games which they are instructed by their teachers or leaders. Now guys, today I'll be showing you the meaning of exchange. Now exchange is simply put a marketplace, to trade crypto. That is exchange. Just like when you go to market to buy food, maybe you go to the market to buy vegetables to cook food. Where are you going to buy it? It's not in the road. You go to a market, a place where farmers have harvested their their product, their gari, yams, vegetables, pawpaw. They will take it to the market to sell because it's a public place whereby it's secured, where armed robbers will not quickly go there and rob. You understand? That's why it's called a marketplace, and it's being governed by the individuals of the community for sake of security. Now, this is an example of an airdrop, an exchange, sorry. The exchange stand as a marketplace whereby you go to trade crypto. Now, all these coins, you see this coin, this is hamster. Most people did hamster. Sorry for that. And they were giving some portion. I myself did hamster. I did catty. I was giving some portions like 11 catty. I was giving some thousands of hamster, couple thousands of hamster, and most people in my community group did hamster airdrop, and they was giving thousand. I know of one that was giving $35, another one was giving 40 some $45, and so much more as that for free, just for free. They didn't invest their money for free. Now guys, these airdrops, now where to trade them when you are giving. You can trade them in exchange. For instance, now there are times whereby this coin can be traded. When you are doing or farming airdrop, you can't just be profitable from doing it immediately. You will have to wait for listing time. That's why you have in here new listing. You see this place where they write new listing. This is where they are listing new coins in the exchange. This is hamster. They are new coins which are just listed in this exchange. This is like a brand new product which just landed in the market, just like new clothes, new shoe that just landed. That is why they call them new listing. So if you want me to do a proper and detailed tutorial on exchange and how to use navigate any type of exchange in this planet, just comment in the comment section. I will make a tutorial, a deep guide for you to trade your first crypto in any exchange of your choice. Now this exchange is called Binance. I've been using it for a couple years now. I've created my account for the past 7 years because I've been in this space for quite a long time. So I created it 2017, 2016 period. So I've been using Binance for a very long time and other exchange alongside others which I will be leaving. I will be notifying you about if only you are interested to know my exchange I'm using. I use Binance, I use different ones, but for now, if you want to sell your airdrop that you are giving, you can easily go to trade. For instance, let's tap on Amstar and you can enter sell. This is selling. You can easily go there and sell. You can go there and sell your coins for free. Now if you want me to do a detailed tutorial how to trade cryptos, I will do it for you only if you comment. But now I'll just give you a quick tutorial on how exchange works. Now I think I'm done with understanding that. Simply put, is a marketplace for trading cryptocurrencies, either a coin that you are giving from airdrop or a coin that you bought from another exchange on any places, or any coin you are giving. Now this is a place to trade them to other currencies. Now where this cryptocurrencies usually stays is these are wallets. These are wallets. Now this is wallet. You can see there's wallet integrated here. Binance have Trust Wallet. They have Trust Wallet. Now Trust Wallet is a popular coin, which a popular wallet which is broadly used. So guys, this is a wallet. This is Trust Wallet. I've been using this for quite a long now, for over 7 years now, currently, and this is I'm not currently trading on it. I usually don't store coins here. I usually don't store. This is coins that I just had for some time now that I don't even care about. So I just want to show you this for the example. This is wallet. This is where cryptocurrency stays. Now, if you are giving cryptocurrency and you wish to hold them for maybe a long time, or you don't want to sell it, you can keep them in your wallet, like what I'm doing in this wallet. I just left this coin. It's called ADX. Now if you want me to do a quick tutorial on wallet, how it works, you are a total newbie, you don't know anything about symbol coins and prices of coins, you are new to it, you want to know more about wallet and deep tutorial on how wallet works, just like your bank account. It's just like your bank account whereby you transfer money to buy airtime, you transfer money to buy data, you transfer money to pay for services or consumptions, your bills. This is just like wallet. You can send to an exchange to trade. Like if you have any coins here, you can send to your Binance exchange to trade it for another currencies. Now guys, wallet are places that you can also sell for other currencies, but mostly wallets are limited in terms of trade. So if you want to sell your coins, you can easily transfer them or send them to an exchange whereby you can trade for currencies. And now let me tell you, cryptocurrency are trading is risky. So if you are to trade your coins, maybe you are giving to airdrop through airdrops, there's no issue for that. But if you want to trade cryptocurrency as a crypto trader, or you want to trade crypto, you want to become a crypto investor, an investor that wish to a crypto investor is somebody that has have money and decide to put his money into cryptocurrencies and decide to leave it either maybe for a year, 2 years, 3 years, or even a month. That person can be a investor. Now we have different type of investor. We have seasonal investor. We have um we have different type of investment, which is seasonal, weekly, monthly, which is the time which involve time, the time you wish to store your coins. Most importantly, investment usually do with holding of a portfolio. That is investment. Now this coin I have here is usually $2 previously, but now it's now 4,000. So this is how crypto works. Now tomorrow you can see that this 4,000 is now 2,000, or is now 1.5. Now that is how cryptocurrency initially work. Now, if you want to know more, a deep, quick tutorial, a detailed tutorial about wallet, how they work, how to use it, and how to avoid scams, because you are for beginners that want to interact in the crypto space. I assure you, if you want to trade or you want to invest in cryptocurrency without getting information and get guide, and most importantly, mentorship, mentorship from a trader or from an experienced uh, crypto persons, you will lose your money. Believe me, I'm telling you for real. You will lose your money for real. You will lose your money. Losing money in crypto space is easier than getting money in crypto space. This is the truth, true fact. Don't be deceived by anybody. Losing money in the crypto world is very far easier than getting money in the crypto space. It could take you 1 month to get, let's say, $100 or $50, and it could easily take you to lose that money in a second. In few seconds. That's how it works. Only if you are scammed. You can be scammed in multiple ways. You can be scammed through your wallet. You can be scammed through an exchange as well when trading. So if you want to escape those things, you want to know more about trading, or you want to be an investor, or you want to follow a mentorship, I do services for people. Currently mentoring several members of my students. Some have enrolled into my premium membership, which charge you little fee to for my mentorship. Or you want to invest in crypto world, you need a mentor, which I've just told you. You can enroll into my premium membership so that you can get my mentorship and free coaching for free. I've been in this crypto space for several years. I've told you earlier. I've just told you the number of year, and I've lost a quite amount of money, and also I've gotten quite a lot of money as well in the crypto space. And in the crypto space, let me tell you something. There are a lot of rocks, there are a lot of scams, in the crypto niche. So because there are newbies coming into the space, so the opportunity of you to lose your money and to be scammed is very, very possible. It's very possible. So for you to be secured in the crypto space, you have to be guided fully. I can tell you how to avoid scams and rogues and lose your money for free. But if you want to go into investment and you want a proper mentorship, a proper face-to-face mentorship, maybe you want to you want to see me and you talk, one-on-one conversation directly, not just the way I'm addressing everyone now. If you want me to have a one-on-one conversation with you, which is through mentorship or coaching on particular cryptocurrency to invest in, or the one I'm investing in that I think it will grow. Though I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just trying to share with you the my thoughts and my journey in the crypto space, how I make money in the crypto world. I'm a crypto trader. I'm a mentor. I also coach people about cryptocurrencies and their investment as well. If you are in my premium class only if you are in my crypto premium class, I mentor you. I can coach you on what you need to know and what you don't need to know, how to have not to lose your money. People are losing 100,000, 1 million, 1 billion. It's very possible in crypto world. So people are also gaining $1 million, $10 million, $100,000, $100, $50. Just name any amount you want to call. They are losing it and they are making it as well. So don't be on the losing side. Try to be on the winning side. So with that being said, guys, I'm done with today's video. So I wish to tell you all that please stay vigilant and always follow my channel, subscribe to the channel. If you wish to hear from me again, maybe when I upload another video, I'll be uploading very soon, depending on what comes in my mind in the space, on what I find out in the space that I wish to share with you, or anything you commented in the comment section that you wish to learn. Comment it in the comment section, or you can join my WhatsApp group and comment there. I've opened the chat, which I believe in my Telegram group, which you can comment in or react on post in there. So guys, if you're interested to know more and you want me to create a deep tutorial on exchange and wallet, snatch the like button. Don't forget to like this video because it takes energy and it takes time and money all together combined to create this content for you, so that you will get to understand this course for free. Now guys, I'll be making long videos. This is just 40 minutes, about close to 15 minutes, of video. I've been making several tutorials on our full course of beginner guide in the crypto world. If you want to get into the airdrop, you want to get a full tutorial, I've made a video. If you're interested, you can comment in the comment section, and I will leave the link to that tutorial, a full tutorial to airdrops. If you want to understand what airdrops means, I will leave that link of that video. Now, if you're interested to know more about exchange and how you can have your first cryptocurrency for free, yeah, you can have your first cryptocurrency for free. Now, this money here is what I invested a long time ago, which I also make different kind of investment long time ago, and I also made a lot of mistake, and I've made a lot of lessons, and I've learned to be learned. You understand? So you got to learn. There are two ways to learn in this world. Either you learn the hard way or you learn the easy way. To learn the hard way is to learn yourself. To learn the easy way is to learn for people's mistake. That is the secret of it. So if you want to learn the hard way, you want to lose your money, and through experience, you can lose. I assure you're going to lose a lot of money through self experiment. Maybe you have a lot of money to burn. I assure you're going to burn those money in a matter of minutes in the crypto world. If you want to experience yourself, because I've been in this space and I've lost hundreds of thousands of naira, which is hundreds of dollars in the crypto world, and I've also made hundreds of dollars as well in the crypto world as well, either equally or more in the crypto space, and I'm also making more currently. The more you know, the more you earn. That is basic. So the more you grow your knowledge in this space, you participate every time, you follow mentorship, and you follow those that are top. That is how you earn along. That's how it is. So guys, bye for now. I'll be ending this video so that you can enjoy your day and participate in this space, because we are approaching a bull run. Those crypto traders, most especially those meme coin traders, everyone that have been in this space for several years now, or that have been an expert or a crypto enthusiast, already know that we are approaching a bull run, and we are already close to it, hitting it very soon. So if you want to know more on bull run, on what I just said about the crypto bull run is ahead, and we are close to hitting it, you can comment anything you wish to know in the comment section. Every text and words I've mentioned here, they are all clear and open to you. If you wish to know more, comment in the comment section. That is why they put that option for you to comment. So make your comment, so we have to see it, what you are saying, so and act upon it for you. Just like when you are listening to a teacher, when teacher say any question, anybody didn't ask question, the teacher will pass through that, everyone have understand what he's teaching. But when you have a question, when you raise up your hand and you said I have a question, you speak your mind. You said I don't understand this part you just said, please rephrase it to me or make me understand more. That is the reason for asking questions, so that we get clearer understanding where others are losing it and when others are not understanding. You will get a clear insight by asking your teacher question. So guys, don't forget, I'm doing this for you guys, my community members, so that you can enjoy the peace and the opportunity that I'll be seeing in the crypto world. There are a lot of money. Currently, I'll be making few dollars on the crypto airdrop niche. So there are the tradings, there are investments also, which you can make money from. So guys, if you're interested in this kind of content and you love my voice, you love the way I speak, you love the way I talk, anything about my channel, do well to comment in the comment section. If you want to appreciate, appreciate. If you want to share the video to others, so that they can be, most importantly, share it to people. You can share this content to your family, your friends, so that they can know that there's opportunity in the crypto space where people can get money for free. And also you can get it through investment. You have to know the opportunity. The more you learn, the more you earn. So guys, bye for now. Peace.